Today I'm going to show you how to display more information when searching lookup fields in Salesforce Lightning. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly identify records by seeing additional details beyond just the record name, making your search results far more informative and efficient. First, let's navigate to the setup area. Click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This takes you into the administrative backend of Salesforce, where you can customize how your organization's data is displayed and managed. Once you're in Setup, you'll notice the Object Manager option sitting right beside the Home tab. Go ahead and click on Object Manager. This is your central hub for managing all the different objects in your Salesforce instance, from standard objects like accounts and contacts to any custom objects your organization has created. Now, you need to locate the specific object that contains the lookup field you want to modify. Use the search functionality to find and click on your desired object. For example, if you're working with account lookup fields, you would search for and select account. This opens up all the configuration options available for that particular object. In the left sidebar, you'll see a list of settings related to this object. Click on Search Layouts. This section controls exactly what information appears when users search for records of this object type in lookup fields throughout Salesforce. It's a powerful feature that most users don't even realize they can customize. You'll now see several layout options. Look at the most right column of the row labeled Default Layout and click the drop-down menu there. From this drop-down, select Edit. This opens the layout editor where you can choose which fields appear in your search results. You'll notice two columns in the editor, Available and Selected. The Available column shows all the fields you can add, while the Selected column shows what's currently displaying. To add more information to your search results, simply find the fields you want in the Available column, for instance, account number, and click the Add button to move them into the selected column. This ensures users see these additional details when they're searching. Here's an important tip about field ordering. Use the up or down buttons to reorder the fields in your selected column. The positioning matters because the first supported field in your list will become the secondary display line that appears directly under the record name in search results. This secondary line is prime real estate for displaying your most important identifying information. Once you've added all the fields you need and arranged them in your preferred order, click Save to apply your changes. Give the system a moment to process and save your new layout configuration. And that's it. You've successfully customized your lookup search results to display more helpful information. Your users will now see additional fields when searching, making it much easier to identify the correct records quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.